Hello everyone! I am finally back with another video today. And as you can tell by the title, I'm finally going to be sharing my no product curly hair routine. I said that weird. No product curly hair routine. Just a few things before I hop in the shower. I'm not going to be taking you in there with me today because it would be kind of difficult to film in there because you're going to need to see like the whole length of my hair, and I'm not trying to have like a nip slip or anything. I just want to mention what shampoo and conditioner I'm going to be using. And I also want to say that you don't have to use, oh, this is actually a gel. Great. I'm all over the place today. I'm sorry. I had way too much caffeine already. I am going to be using the Wavy Vital Curl Plus shampoo and conditioner today. This is the gel, but I will be using the conditioner, not the gel. You can literally use any shampoo and conditioner that you like. I do recommend using something that is a little bit more on the hydrating side. If your hair is very dry or damaged, I don't know how well this routine will work for you, but I will say give it a shot and try it with a deep conditioner instead of a regular conditioner. I really love to go product free, especially in the summer when I air dry my hair, because when I use products in my hair, number one, my hair takes forever to dry, and two, I just feel like my hair is softer, I get less tangles. It's just a nice break from product, and honestly, I haven't been using a lot of product this summer, and I have been loving it. So I'm going to hop in the shower now, I'm going to wash my hair, and then I will come back out here and I will show you exactly how I get nice defined frizz-free curls, even in the summer, without using any product. Okay, so my hair is now washed and conditioned. I've only rinsed out about 50% of the conditioner though. What I did is I kind of just like put my head back and really just more so rinsed out the roots. We're going to rinse out, I guess you could say, the remainder of the product using some more water. And like I said, this is something that I would normally do in the shower, but for the sake of filming, I actually just have a bowl here of water that I'm just going to kind of cup in my hand and use that to scrunch my hair. I guess this is like the, oh God, I really don't like this term, the squish to condition. I'd rather say like squishin' to condition. I don't know. I'm not a fan. Oh God, I'm gonna make a mess. What I'm going to do is basically just cup, ASMR, anyone? I didn't think this through. All right, so I'm going to flip my head over and I'm going to take handfuls of water and just use that to scrunch my hair. And you really, really want to scrunch the crap out of your hair. Like when you think you've scrunched enough, keep scrunching more. You want to make sure that your hair is wet enough that you're hearing, I'm gonna get closer so you guys can hear this sound when you're scrunching. You want to keep your hair as wet and moisturized as possible. And also you want your hair to be so wet that you don't see any sort of frizz or dryness on the strands. So if you start to see some of your hair getting frizzy, you know that there's not enough water and you want to just keep adding more and keep re-wetting your hair. You really want to make sure that you're flipping your hair over and just scrunching from every which way. This is really going to make sure that you're going to have definition all over your head. And if you struggle with root volume like I do, this is a really, really big tip. Although it's not perfect because my hair is pretty long and it's starting to get really weighed down, but it does help a lot with that. So just be sure you are scrunching from all different directions. Don't be like me and don't trip over your bowl of water and have it spill all over your living room. That step is not necessary, but the next step that actually is part of this routine is to plop our hair. So I am just going to be using one of Vinny's t-shirts. If you want to see how I plop my hair, I'm going to link my overnight curls video because I show it at a better angle there. But instead of using the silk scarf, you can just use a t-shirt or a cotton towel. So I'm just going to leave my hair wrapped up for about like 15-20 minutes just to kind of absorb all of this excess moisture. And then I will be back to show you guys what my last step is. I accidentally left this wrapped up for too long, but that's fine. And the last thing that I do, if you can even call this a step, and actually I gotta get closer to the viewfinder because I did not bring a mirror out here. So I gotta use this as a mirror. I like to do, since these pieces are like grown out bangs and a little bit shorter, I don't like them to curl as much as the rest of my hair. So I actually just kind of separate some of these pieces here. Just do some like light coiling, because this actually will extend my curl a little bit and makes it a little less curly. So I'll just take some pieces randomly like this, kind of stretch them out a bit. Okay guys, so that is literally everything I do. I will hop back on here in a little bit once my hair is dried to show you the finished results. Okay guys, so this is my hair totally dry. It's been air drying for a few hours now. The only thing left that I want to do is just kind of like shake my hair up a bit. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you found any of these techniques helpful. If you have any video requests, be sure to leave them down below. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did, if you enjoy my videos. And you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will have all of my social media information in the description box as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you guys next time.